What's up, IT Ninjas? Today we're going to take a look at a quick tip in Microsoft Word using the Format Painter. But before we dive in, hit the like and subscribe button if you have not done so yet. I'm always coming out with new content, fixes, and how-to guides that you're going to want to watch. Just takes a second, it really helps out the channel. Format Painter is a super handy tool option that allows you to copy and paste formatting to text in your document. This is probably one of my most used tools in Word, so let's take a look. Here in Word, we have some sample text with a font, size, bold, italic, underline, a color, and highlighted, so a handful of font alterations. So if we were just to highlight this text section and right-click or wait for the toolbar to appear, if we just hover over this little paintbrush, we see Format Painter. If we click this, any next section of text that we highlight, all of the alterations are pasted from the formatting perspective. If you get in the habit of using the Format Painter, it will make editing your document quicker and more efficient. Like I said, handy and super easy to use. Thanks for watching. Hit the like and subscribe button. Check out some of the other Microsoft Office and app videos in the channel. Let me know what you thought in the comments. See you in the next video, and let's ninja fix it.